We are extremely excited to announce the launch of OraGen, the very first cellular bone allograft with lineage-committed bone cells. OraGen changes the way you might think about bone regeneration.
Other cellular bone grafts that are on the market focus on preserving mesenchymal stem cells, or MSCs. And MSCs can differentiate into any number of different cell types, and sometimes the cell types that you don't want, and that can slow down and complicate bone healing. With OraGen, we focused on preserving lineage-committed bone-forming cells that are able to hit the ground running and start laying down bone practically as soon as they're implanted.
OraGen is like Allograft. That means that it has three properties. Osteoconductivity, it provides a scaffold. Osteoinductivity, it provides cell signals. And then osteogenecity, it actually has viable cells that can directly create bony matrix.
OraGen is actually a human allograft product, but the way it is processed and delivered allows us to get the benefits of autogenous bone, as if the patient's own bone, without the morbidity and problems associated with this. The act of taking the patient's bone to take from one place and put to another place offers the opportunity for the patient to have very good outcomes, but also creates two different surgical wound sites, not to mention the time, the postoperative complications and issues, as well as the cost of the time of the patient and the doctor. OraGen now has been a breakthrough in reference to the ability to deliver the outcomes of autogenous bone, but without a lot of the problems of autogenous bone.
Since 1995, LifeNet Health has processed over 12 million allograft implants using AlloWash XG sterilization technology with 0 incidents of disease transmission. That's a track record that should give you confidence that you're using safe and effective allograft tissue to treat your patients.
Because this graft can't be sterilized the way we sterilize other grafts, because we would just be killing the cells that we're working to preserve, we have very stringent screening criteria.
We go above and beyond even FDA and AATB standards to make sure that we can provide safe and effective allografts.
We have a culture of accountability and ownership that goes throughout the organization. Our processes are hardwired in terms of focusing on safety and quality. We invest heavily in training and development to make sure our employees are well suited and well trained for their positions to support our patients and our customers around the globe.
We hear over and over really tremendous results from this graft. Cases where surgeons are thinking that the patient's just not going to heal because they have a lot of comorbidities, an older patient, diabetic, osteoporotic, smoker, all of those things that make us worry that bone healing may not occur as efficiently, and they're finding that this graft works well where other grafts have failed in the past.
I'm finding that things are ready faster, morbidity and swelling is less. I'm also able to deliver the implant into the site sooner. The longer the graft is there, the more likely something can affect the graft negatively. So being able to use a graft sooner is actually a very important part.
OraGen is part of our mission, which is saving lives, restoring health, and giving hope. And OraGen is providing a very cutting-edge way of replacing bony tissue by providing all three necessary properties for bone regeneration.
OraGen really is the next evolution in dentistry. Salvin is an organization that's proven that they can focus on education and really being partners with their customers.
The relationship between Salvin Dental and LifeNet Health is very special. Together, we have introduced several products, including OraGen, the first cellular bone allograft with lineage-committed bone cells. We'd love the opportunity to show you what's possible.